Okay. Hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Jazz, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, I'm Luisa Laranang, 40 years old. I live in Montalban, Rizal. I have two kids, one daughter, 16 years old, and one boy, 7 years old.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single, ma'am? Single with live-in partner or married?
Single with living partner, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
July 10, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
5'4", 60, ma'am.
Okay, what about your religion?
Catholic. Roman
Roman
Catholic,
Catholic.
ma'am.
Okay, what about your educational background?
Undergrad,
Undergrad of high school, college.
ma'am.
Sorry, can you repeat again? You're quite choppy.
Undergrad college.
Okay. Is it first year college, second year college?
Second year, but per sim.
First sem. Okay, this is your first time working abroad, Luisa, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have like any expectations once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Expect, yes.
Okay, so Luisa, being a domestic helper is not that so easy. You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you strong enough to endure your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because there is no place for those weak people here. We need to be strong in order for us to sustain our family's needs because you have a 2 years contract and you cannot easily go back home once there is any unexpected situation might happen to your family in the Philippines. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My live-in partner, ma'am. Here's daddy nila.
Okay, how old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
42 years old and delivery rider, ma'am.
Delivery rider. Okay, so Luisa, once you come to work in other countries, you need to adjust yourself. You don't need, like for example, employer will going to adjust themselves. No, you need to adjust yourself. It is not Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, we might be a boss there, but here in Malaysia, we are a servant. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines as a housemaid, correct? Way back 2022, 2002 to 2003, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I know which place in the Philippines?
Uh, Lingayen, ma'am. Pangasinan.
Okay, so what are your responsibilities to your previous employer here in the Philippines?
Uh, Take care of child, ma'am.
How old is the child?
Uh, four, four.
Okay, while taking care of this child, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so after that, you've been a full-time mom until now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
With two
so
years, with two kids.
Okay, so Luisa, you know that being a mother is you also need to be multitasking, right? You need to apply
Yes, ma'am.
it also once you reach here in Malaysia, okay? Because there is
Yes,
no
ma'am.
such a thing that you will just focus on taking care of children only or taking care of elderly only. No such a thing. You need to do house chores at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you aware that if you breach your contract, you need to compensate your employer at the same time with the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
In usage of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also, you have a once a week rest day. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate, which is 70 ringgit, okay?
Mm.
So I would like to let you know what are the rules and regulations of our agency here, Luisa, because we don't want later that once you reach Malaysia, you will going to complain us regarding about the usage of handphone, your rest day. We don't want later that we have a problem, okay? As much as possible, I just wanted it to clarify it from you whether you agree or not. If you don't agree, then we don't force people to come and work here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this will be your first time working abroad. Then, how will you gonna fight your homesickness later? Because I know that your homesickness will strike anytime once you reach here in Malaysia, knowing that you are a newbie working abroad.
Too busy working mom na lang.
Do busy working.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can endure homesickness?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can fight your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your skills? What is your special skills?
Um, Cleaning, ma'am. Then also little bit cooking.
Little big cooking. Okay, so can you take your elderly while doing house chores at the same time?
Mm, Little bit, ma'am.
So can you take care?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, can you take care a children or a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Little bit.
Like, are you afraid of any dogs or like, are you afraid of cats, rabbits, snakes?
Little bit, ma'am.
So, can you take care pet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or rather than go in Middle East, knowing that
Because
they
I
have a higher salary than here in Malaysia?
because I have heard that there's no abuses. He says.
Here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a situation, Luisa. What will you do if the employer is unhappy with your job? Like you did anything already. Like for example, you already cleaned the entire house. You also take care of the child properly, but still, you cannot take the like employer is still not happy the way you work. What will you do?
I will see forgiveness and I will I'll be the best for uh to happiness in my working.
Okay. So, are you sure you really want to come here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, for the family.
Are you fit to work? Or do you have any
Yeah,
sickness?
no, ma'am.
Noah, Shura?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to keep on remind you again that you have a 2 years contract. if there is any unexpected situation might happen to your family, you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Luisa. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Yes,
connected
ma'am.
through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.